Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Welcome to another day. You know, you think of the journey continue. You know, so we got some donation to give out, you know, before we hit the road. So I definitely stop off right here. So, you know, I got one for Esther mom and also for Esther from Dawn from the USA. Why this journey it never stops, always continue. To speak, look who arrived, the angel sent by God, Sister Junie, Esther mommy. You resting up? Oh, she's resting up, guys. She is resting up. Alright, then, like how you're resting up, I'm going to give you something for you to go back to rest, okay?
Okay.
I'm not going to keep you long. So I got 25 US here for you.
Okay.
From Miss Dawn from the USA.
Hello, Miss Dawn. Hi. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. Well, this now can help me to go to the dialysis tomorrow.
Yes.
To buy my lunch.
Your lunch.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Tell her food to eat.
God bless you.
Yeah, Miss Dawn.
Yes, Miss Dawn, God bless you and your family. Thank you very much.
Right.
You're a darling girl.
Alright, so Esther, we got one for Esther as well. So when you ask her what she gonna do with it and say what she love. You know, Esther, we got 25 here as well for you.
Yes, I can.
Gary. Alright, so Esther said I should give it
to my mommy. Yeah.
To her mommy. See it there? Buy more food, sister.
Yes, just to buy fruits.
Fruits. Oh, one is food and one is fruits.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes. Thank you, Esther.
Yes.
This is unusual.
It's unusual? Oh, God.
Thank you. Thank you, Esther.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Well, Miss Dawn, you're a good girl.
Yeah.
Esther gave me her, so God bless her. God bless her.
So Esther, you're gonna thank Dawn now?
Thank Miss Dawn for the donation. I give it to my mommy.
Yes.
Yeah, so God bless you and keep you always.
She caught her on the spot, so she have to give it to her because she's on the camera. She have to give it, you know. Sister June is very smart. She said, Esther, give me yours now. And she know me now cut it out. She have to stay in here. Well done, sister. You don't know how your brain stay. It's working. She can't say no.
You know, looking at you, you're putting on weight.
Putting on weight or weight putting on me?
No, I wonder for the jackfruit.
Jackfruit punch.
Coconut. Yes, very good punch.
And the punch is punching good.
Yes, and also telling Esther that she putting on weight.
Yeah.
So look like the
jackfruit. And the jackfruit attack truth. It'll go on, sister. You drink some?
Yeah, get some. It tastes good.
Tastes good, though. Yeah. When you putting on weight, look like you're drinking the jackfruit punch. But seriously, you're putting on weight, you're looking fresh, though. Yes.
Jackfruit, the jelly meat, now I drink jelly water. No night, mom in African.
So what about the dark chocolate? Can she have it as well?
She have a fine art.
I'm gonna ask the herbal man.
What is dark chocolate?
You know, like chocolate, you know, with extract and everything, where it's good for the system and everything. Yes. But I think him say good. Even the charcoal.
Where you get the jackfruit?
Up by Mama River.
So you have nowhere else?
No, and that tree that finish, you know. To be honest, you can't call the tree finish. I guess when you reach, nothing left. You know, so we have to go country to get some more, really. That's where we have to go country. Go somewhere.
So I can see you enjoying it.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, boom, but the jackfruit punch. But it's nice though, it's you know, it's unusual.
Yes.
It's unusual, you know, so everybody are gonna hear about it now and them are gonna try it. So guys,
you know, spread it.
Yeah, spread it. We have, you know,
are you spreading?
No, we have to spread the goodness, guy, you know, the jackfruit.
I wouldn't make it.
No, we don't know yet.
The problem can't get jackfruit, no, jackfruit
You blend the jackfruit with the jelly, coconut, with the meat, everything inside there, just one blend. Trust me, are the best
Ever blend
punch.
it, you know?
No?
You talk like you blend it.
No, because we know who blend it. So because we know who blend it, we just drink it so we know where to say, you know. So it's easy. It's easy, sister. Just blend everything and drink. Nothing to strain.
Straining, yeah.
No straining, nothing at all. Just blend and go.
You can encourage Esther to use like say her time. Something sell some look at time and then she can use those things and sell it.
Yeah.
Sell things and sell.
That's what I told her. Don't worry, man. Me get her the spot. But she's gonna start to blend up and sell. If she don't do it in the day, she's gonna do it in the night.
Yeah, I'm tell her that you will help her.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. Of course, I will help blend. I will help blend. Once I'm here, you see, Sister June is good suggestion. You know, don't worry. So take care, yeah.
All right.
Esther, you see, you need to start with the blending. Dreamy. Dream, 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 dream.
You see, I stop you not to frighten me.
Where you go? Where you going, miss? Where you going, miss? You got Sheeda, so where you tap there? Man, put her your tab.
Then make my friend never go defend it. Oh, come show me. Oh.
Yes, guys. So, so we're gonna drop off now the donation to Amigo. We got one for Shani. I got one for Kiana also as well too. So we're gonna drop those off and just keep it moving. Down the mic. What's up? Hello. What happened? What's up? Nothing. You tired already? Yeah. I look what the run there? Don't need for tree, I don't know fit. Classic. Classic on that band.
Whoa, then I put she's grounded.
Say hi there, boy. Say hi, yeah. Miss Classic. Oh, them say you're grounded.
Yeah, we're grounded.
You grounded?
Yeah.
How are you do?
Tina, you don't bite your fingernails.
Your fingernail? You're not supposed to bite your fingernails. Them lower, them cut.
Me and Cheers bite someone every day. Look on fair one them. We bite them.
Classic, Cheers, and Mika.
And Kelsey.
And Chelsea.
Kelsey.
I know.
And Grapey.
Oh?
Grapey.
Yeah, fruit. So this is grapey. Go in this way. Go in this way, missus. General. Alright guys, so we're gonna see Amigo. Amigo. Indele.
Yeah man.
Amigo. Guys, Amigo gonna really hear us, for most of our. Okay. You know. Amigo. Alright then, another. Alright guys, so we have a donation for Amigo. You know, Amigo is a man who hear clearly. You know, so.
Hey, come man. That pain, man, that she even know, I'm very good in man, she even know. You know, see, yeah, man. Yeah, man, well, that's some theater. She knows that you're very flat pain and very good to make.
Come to the light. Yeah. Amigo, let's see. Wrong one, that.
Yeah, man, that's even know, man.
Love
That's
you.
it. You come to me to don't feel nice, you know. She said, "My $200 back out of it."
For $1,000.
Yeah, man, I just buy some food and eat that. You know, and
$1,000 seem long.
yeah, man, that very
Even
good,
$1,000 the other
man.
day.
That's when you try to rough for me, no man. Yeah, rough.
So guys, as I say, you know, for most of the new viewers them who don't know about Amigo, you know, he have hearing problem, you know. So I guess we give him a lot of different hearing aid, you know, that our excellent family sent for him, but none of them seems to work, you know. So I guess you need like to get plunger, you know, more deeper care to get look after that one, but he may really hear so well. So one of our excellent family sent a donation for him, you know, because she hear him say him boil water and drink it while he's hungry, you know. So Anonymous sent a donation for Amigo, you know, because she felt, you know, his bleed and that part, you know. So you know, more time you're gonna hear him talk, but he never hear us, you know. But we try to read our lips, but he won't hear. Amigo!
I get my little party, Yeah, man, them have one boy, you know, mom with us. You see, buy for a person and buy 5 of them, you see. And I had a mom with us drinking, you see. Right now, nothing left upon there, cut out now, you see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Amigo.
Yeah, what I want.
So guys,
so go right and now I know to buy some. You see, yeah, man, some of us pay bread not to buy and things, you see that. You know, yeah.
So guys, so we have $15,000 a year, you know, from Anonymous, from Canarsie, Brooklyn, you know, send 15,000 for Amigo, you know. So Amigo,
I'm buying, I see, very good, you know. Yeah. You know. I'm very good at this thing. I'm very good. I can play it all the time. Yes, man, that's very good, you know. Yeah, man. But don't know go up the cable car, breathe, you know, see. I tell them I want to put on the pole and thing, you know. Yeah, man, that's very good, man, every time, you know. Yeah, man.
I mean, I want to clean up.
You know. Yeah, man, I don't buy a thing that. You know, not cool, I don't know about that thing. Trying to get them to buy cool, you know. Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
Very good. Oh, okay. Very good. Yeah.
Alright guys, so okay, so we give thanks to the donation from Anonymous from Canarsie, Brooklyn, you know. Thank you so much for that blessing, you know. So Amigo can try to help himself get some food stuff, right? Alright then, so that's it.
I'm not saying that. So what we gonna do? Just so she can come in. You can pause it.
No, what that way, what that way. Where you bring him out, go? Zaire.
What?
Them a call you. Zaire.
Oh, think come here, think. No, where I think. Okay,
Big up, you know. I'm going this way.
We are going this way. Watch it. Kino, you see that? Kino, watch it. Kino, watch it.
Alright, Lydia, man.
Watch it. That's two of them.
Him live here.
One of them black.
You say that you were running, sir? Yeah, cat.
This one, man, the up and him close. This one.
Come here, rat.
Hey!
Come here, rat. At the first rat, I see now I run away like
People that we can't. The people that we can't. One of them the other. One of them the other.
Yeah, watch it, mind the doodoo. Look when I walk. Go on.
And then they make us talk.
Yeah.
I will do I saw my driver did a call my God. From God school, I saw him call me Ratty.
Ratty call you, the driver?
Yeah.
Tell him not to.
I see our auntie.
Tell him not to call her Ratty, okay?
Our auntie.
You hear them voice? Watch your bike, man. Wash your bike from them days there.
1950
Braga.
bike, baby.
But you know that.
Guys going through the trenches of Trenchtown. This is what the place is like. So, you know, people try to elevate themselves by build up, you know. So people try to elevate by building up. That I realize. Black it up. This is Natisha home. Resort, baby. God damn.
Well, the whole of the ceiling I dropped on the man. Leave it right there.
Yeah, the ceiling.
Man, fix it up.
Esther, see the chef there.
We used to go to school there. No? Yes.
Scanner!
On the 21st of September 2016, the jury reached a verdict.
Scanner! This is Scanner. It's a good day, Scanner.
Good day, Scanner.
So, how are you?
How are you today?
He's feeling strong, okay?
Yeah.
You girls feeling strong?
Yes.
Feeling strong too?
We used to live right there.
You know her? You know him? Okay, so she a pint here. She know your Scanner. She know you. There, a pass through Scanner.
Him shirts a fortnight. And that look, and that's the key.
His shirt's a fortnight.
I see it. Can I see a picture there in here?
I don't need that.
Then it said Kino. It said done by Dream Team.
Oh, yeah, I
Kino life in Jamaica.
Oh.
And see a picture there.
Oh.
So we're going to say you.
Come, Scanner, make a donation for you.
K-I-O-N. K-I-N-I-N-O-N. Why? Get somebody help me.
How can a trainer go on over there, sir? Training that I go on over there?
Yeah.
It's a cones and them thing that set up.
Who first was the
Hey, when you go, don't stay one place. Don't go nowhere.
No. A footballer player. Yeah.
So, Scanner,
Yeah.
how is everything otherwise?
Yeah, I give thanks to them. I give thanks to the crew all the while.
Yes.
Not because we not show me every day. Come like me show me every day to the greatness.
We give thanks, we give thanks. Alright, so Scanner, have a donation here for you. From Heather. Right? It's from Heather, right? Yes. And that's a scanner paper.
No, she wants to look at the job.
Oh, see there, yeah. Yeah. It's from Heather. So I got 9,000 a year for your scanner from Heather. Yeah, from Connecticut. Let's go and start them there. So that's 9,000 from Heather.
Thank you, Ada.
Or from Connecticut.
Connecticut.
Yes. Alright, so we give thanks to Heather from Connecticut. We thank you so much for blessing Scanner for this donation.
Yeah. It's Ada.
Yeah, Heather.
There's not a day that goes by and I look at something that reminds me of her.
Oh.
I see him family, you know. I see him family, but because we don't do a regular like that, I put me on a nurse jacket. We still give thanks.
Same family, one family.
Yeah.
One family.
Extended.
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 Yes, extended family. So that is from Heather.
Yeah.
Miss Heather. Alright, then take it easy, yeah?
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Manga spoon dog.
Blacky mango juice.
You know, feel for them manga, you know?
Right, that's what we get.
I can't get manga, please. Please, give me manga.
If any is ripe,
What are them green?
well, see them one here already yet.
What are them green? Alright.
That one you look like it. That one there. What them say? No, tough. It's not really tough.
Oh my gosh.
It's not tough. Go on.
Look at them all weird.
We're not going to till next year.
You, Kina, don't show the camera. Turn the camera yourself.
Right.
Look.
Oh, someone poo.
And that's a dog. We on the fishy bottom. You better
Mind the sink of your feet.
Come down the video.
Well, I will see you now.
No, me come down the video.
So now I go home.
No.
Yeah.
Ah, come look for your favorite black boy.
Oh, okay. Bye bye. Okay. Gotcha.
No.
Only go on a mommy later. Okay.
Yeah. Me and our home, we are cousins.
Oh, yeah.
Tomorrow again, right? Tomorrow I'm come for now. Gotcha. No, not tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm come look for you. Go on. You see, if you don't, I'm not telling you when.
Tell me the date.
You can't tell you now, because you don't want to no pressure me.
Don't me write it in a book.
Alright then, so you make you know when, okay?
Tell me now.
No, because now got pressure me too much.
No.
Yeah.
Pinky promise.
Pinky promise I will tell you when. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
But when I got pressure, you tell me.
No, not got pressure me. I'm not telling you yet. Yeah.
Can't. No pressure, you tell it.
No, I can't tell you yet. Everything I went first, then we'll tell you. Yeah, I'm so come. Let's stop going like that Gina. But you know, just walk with me. It's time to go home now. Hey, later, man. Later. Listen up. Later. So come. Go on a moment. Go on. Tomorrow, I'm say. Right? Bye-bye. Smoothie. I'm a breadfruit burger. You know this a murder. Whoa. General. Ah, go on. See it, man.
See that we sit up there a while ago and I say, yo, no one keen off to come in here next year. Yeah, man, you have to, I guess so.
I'm requesting.
No, man, the people are, man. The people have come up, the people. Oh, man, come over here and say, yo, are you who want to talk to us, man? Me?
Yeah.
I don't mean my boy. Are you always a talk to you know? He said,
Are you?
Yeah,
Okay. Well, baby,
so I think about a new idea still, like how you start forward. More to talk about the square.
Oh.
Because I want to make a own cheese. Yeah. That's how I want to go. Because we have a own cheese, you know. We'll put my burger there, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So I think about making the square in a bun size, like they can get a slice.
With the cheese. Oh.
How my sound?
Good. Oh.
It's
square and cheese, yeah.
But you without deal with cake.
Yeah, square.
It's square.
It's square. And cheese. AKA food about
I'm
cheese.
going to cut out the cheese too, because I don't want to get that name there. How can I get Cheese.
Breeze.
Not cheese.
Not cheese.
Breeze.
Yeah.
Breeze.
Yeah, man.
It's a good look, man.
Lighter than cheese, you know?
Breeze. Bomba, is that tape?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, I do that tape. Yeah, man, I see your tape.
Tape, man, you see?
Yeah, because I tell you, you see, the square. Yeah, I want to build it in a, you know, a bun type, like how I used to forward.
Yeah.
I want to deal with cake and them things and bun. I want to use egg and flour and all them things. You know what I say? So we are big, you know, square. I love the square too. I feel if you get it with a slice of our cheese, it would have bad though.
Of course. Because
Yeah,
it's a
man.
non-dairy cheese. So of
Yeah.
course, yeah.
You see what I say? Yeah, man.
You hear
We're
that?
there, man. You see, yeah, man.
So
yeah, man.
there.
See, yeah, man.
So that sound good. That
Yeah,
can
man,
work.
son. Yeah, man, from where they, you know?
Yeah. I like the idea to work.
Yeah.
Looking forward for that one there.
Yeah. Alright, see, I get no key, you know. Do that, you know.
Oh, so this is the
And the arm and them.
almond nuts.
And an upgrade. Ketchup packaging.
Upgrade. So well,
Yeah, man.
guys.
Because you see, are you know, a female from way foreign,
Yeah.
always a forward for almond. Yeah, man. And I keen to say keen program, so watch. And see the almond them.
It's well packaged now.
Well
it's
packaged
ready
now.
again.
So me I say,
It's
yeah.
ready again.
Ready. Yeah, man.
Ready
So,
for the summer for the road.
yeah.
At the summer pro lad. So yes guys, ready again. Alright, I'm finished with my breadfruit burger. I have to add some lemonade to wash it down.
Yeah.
And then my smoothie to chase it now. You know? Yeah, I'm going to smooth everything down.
Yeah.
After everything was roughly taken, now we just smoothly drink it down. Yes, smoothly drink it down. Let me put the bin there. Shut this in the bin. These are movements within. Blaze it up. Respect
Oh,
him.
yeah, man. Man, I say, man.
Yeah.
I say, alright, yes, sir.
Steam it up.
Yeah, man.
Man of the giant.
Yeah, man.
Alright then, so later, yeah? Yeah. Guys, well. So I just reached in Trenchtown, so I'm gonna pick up Esther. So Prefect is here as well too, and boom. So we're gonna head up to Miami River, to get Cranberry. So apparently, today we have the Kiwanis from East Pines, Miramar, there in Florida. They want us to treat the kids them, for give them some KFC, so we'll give thanks to the Kiwanis from East Pines, Miramar, for blessing the kids them with this treat for KFC today, so I'm wipe off my screen a bit. Yes guys, so I'm gonna say we'll give thanks to the Kiwanis from East Pines, Miramar, for treating the kids for this KFC. And also we have Dan as well too, that is sent for us to take them to Devon. So first we're going to treat them with this KFC, and then on another day we will take them to Devon. But we can't tell them when we're going to take them to Devon because then people them have got pressure me. So we have to just give them like a heads up like a day before, whenever we get that free time during the week to take them to Devon. So we're going to head out now, so we're going to stop and get the KFC, and then we just head on that journey, so blessed love and stay tuned for that. Rat trap all the time. Movements of trap people. What boom there? Oh boom turn, boom. When I find
chunks in there, come on, chunks around upon a tree.
Yeah. If we get somebody else climb it. So we can go stop at the KFC and New Kingston. Beefy! Guys, the container chicken that look like a wash ashore. So Esther said it tastes nice. Guys, this is the one whole for chicken or wash up from Jamaica. The container. Hey, what if I eat right now, we're going to end up buying knockoff chicken. That's it, we go, yeah. And it wash up from Jamaica, so Jamaican lucky. Imagine it as a Jamaican lucky, it wash up from Jamaica. So right now KFC, look at them get the hang of it. I'm just joking, you never know. One thing you can't tell I wish chicken wash well. But we see a man do a video and say, guys, I lie them I tell, nothing wrong with the chicken. I eat right now and I eat it. And them say, yo, chicken tastes good. And them say, when you eat it, your eye blink. So I eat them, eyes taste up. Yeah, so that's a symptom. If you eat it and your eyes are blink, I eat. So hopefully we are watch and see if Cranberry eyes them are going to blink. And the kids, if them eye blink, they will know say I eat. If them eye not blink, they will know I eat. So give thanks to the Kiwanis, from East Pines, Miramar, for blessing the children with this KFC, and getting an Easter chicken right now, and getting an Easter chicken, not the washer one from Brazil. We're meant to go to Brazil. I don't know that one, the Jamaica one.
It's over
A Portmore. Never already take it back.
Ready now? Come here. Give me just a bit. No. Start blink.
Just start blink.
I eat.
Yes. So Esther eat the blinking chicken. This chicken when you eat it blink. So after them wash her short. So she's blinking. Good thing they eat my breakfast burger already. So anyway, thing that they can't blink when they eat them, they don't blink. I eat them thing that I open wide.
And then a cow.
No, not at all. Guys, so Esther buy pure chicken separate. There's the bucket of chicken right there. So the kids them with a one bucket of ketchup. So that's the chicken them I wash with the short. So Esther start eat brown already.
Start blink already.
Blink.
I think I 15 cup me there again. Young girl. I was getting 15 cup.
Alright, cool. Sorry. Perfect.
I've never even seen
A Spider-Man.
Yeah.
I took off on the glass next time.
Alright guys, so we're good to go now. We get the KFC for the kids. Nobody does it better. So we give thanks to Kiwan and his from East Pines, Miramar, all the some of them. Same finding it. Change for the general. Same final change.
Yeah.
No.
I think so.
you that.
Why? And then,
Oh, you mean?
you know when you go buy food,
The most food that you get.
I say, you got please go buy food, I don't know where you get. It's cook for your yard. Listen, my car. If you people with busy lifestyle, them cook Sunday and dish out them something.
Alright guys, so we just reached up by Mama River. Well. So guys, so you know, so it's not so bad. The weather is okay, even though no rain. But yes, it's good. Good. So the apple them are shoot up there now, Esther. Oh, them are get red up now.
Well, a good bacteria. A good bacteria.
Right on in there.
Yeah, so then there.
The whole heap of ripe. Yeah.
Them little one can call them black.
Somebody that come with stick and
Soja Clyde.
A whole heap of them there. One should have a stick.
Yeah.
right now and choke them.
Okay.
When I come back, I have to look at stick up.
Yeah, I look stick at Cranberry.
I have a taste of it sweet.
Indian.
You
Girl just called me a while ago, but she there, you know.
Oh.
You know what I'm thinking? You know what I'm thinking? You thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh, juice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
See him there, Kino? See him there?
Oh, one D. No jackfruit up there. Oh. Oh, the gate lock now. The gate lock.
You can call him.
Oh.
Just knock, man. Any one of them will come out, you just make them call.
Yeah.
No, Kina, when we come back.
Yeah,
oh, we come and dog. No,
exactly.
no.
Indian.
Make a where the sun.
What's your name again?
Your friend, the girl,
yeah.
Shine?
She called me a while ago. Indian. Oh, go on. Could you get some of them apple here? Could you get some of them apple here?
I know my Miss Jones.
Eh? Yeah, man, I just pass something and come back. Alright. Alright then. So when I come back.
No stay long, we can make night.
Night, 6 o'clock. Catch up sleep.
Mama, we wake up that. Go sleep.
Oh, they might pick it.
Are they might pick it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Might pick it.
You see, them every time I want it. So they egg.
I work, I go on over there. Pine and ginger.
You see, when you bring them after they get pretty color, pretty man. Them supposed to dry though, because the rain and fall, them dry. No, the black one, them sweet man.
River. One boma.
Every time I have a walk going on the hilltop, you have a look some fruits. It's a natural way.
That's a fruit. I never can find a jackfruit.
Jackfruit. No, not for the angle, me have it.
Okay.
Not for the angle.
Some jackfruit, yeah, man.
Fruit you find? Tamarind.
Oh, make tamarind juice.
Yeah, I'm picking a Rastafari body, 10 pounds.
Right.
Get it active. Yeah, man.
Man.
Down the road. Let's see. Yeah, but
How for bleach it?
them
How for them bleach? Alright, boom, man, do the maths, man. Alright. Shot 350. Bless her. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, check it. Oh, I put a step right or so.
Yeah.
Step up. Yeah, trust you.
Use some new ply that start and me go put it this and go move it back, but when they don't cut it to put this and then you're free.
What, the ply?
Yeah,
end up where you
yeah, because you can cut up.
Oh.
Because when they cut it to put it this so.
Oh, so you move it from here, so?
Move it from this and put it this so.
Oh.
Until them still have to cut off this and fight again, because we're going to put a wind like this, so we still have to cut off this and fight again.
Oh, because you move it and put this.
Yeah.
What's this, like a decorated ply?
Yeah.
Oh. So you have to cut it back off.
Yeah, because we have to put a wind like this, so we're going to cut off back.
I feel and seal it off now.
Yeah,
Right. Wow.
Even I say more zinc it to you, because it's all the sun. I'm sorry, even I say more zinc it.
A white nose this?
Yeah.
Never get big.
White nose. Guys, look at white nose. Look, white nose, no more ribs.
Boom, you and my friend now.
No more ribs.
I couldn't believe it.
So get food.
No more.
Counting ribs.
Them dog food finish? Oh. All I want is look how he might get big too.
Not even met him. Him when you could have count the ribs them.
Look at
I
that
didn't see
now.
none.
You can't wait. The dog food really working. Yeah. I really fertilize them saying. Because even feeling body.
I get taller and
I'm
I'm
ribs them, you could have count them.
No, good now. I look on them ears, so them ears start look like more richer as well too.
If somebody tell me
the puppet
that's a
show,
lie.
come and get a bean,
You know?
And them so,
If somebody tell me that when I say a lie.
Yeah. And them so when you feed that with puppet show, they always bring out them ear and them put them there. And make them bigger. As you say, a giant them a turn now, you know.
A boom friend them.
I'm a big man for you say, look, I got big white nose, I got big.
If you continue feeding pan
mother, you know.
Yeah. If you continue feeding pan that puppet show there.
Yeah, we say black one there.
Yeah.
Soon get food, yeah? Get chicken leg and chicken leg and chicken bone.
I get big man. Once them continue get feed on the puppet show, trust me.
I get big man.
Yeah. Clean. So that tile out in the bathroom as well?
Yeah, me that me just tile out the side of it, man.
I'm sure what I go on.
The side of it, my star. Yeah, so I just want to finish.
Tara! Hello, Miss Tara. Hello, Miss Tara. Are you kidding? What cranberry them there?
You know, so them just gone up the road.
Got a shop?
Them our shoes end up bust out, so somebody end up gear us for us here until I have to take our shoes, so she have to end up returning.
Oh, so she can return it?
Yeah.
Man, they keep me key now.
Okay. Oh, it's that the wall?
Yeah, the wall, the star. Some more the one finishing up here.
Daddy, look here.
Next moment of the pit, man. Right, yeah.
The pit?
Yeah.
Daddy.
So we still have some more for putting over there. So.
Yeah, but just them place and never tile off and finish it, bro.
Daddy.
So we do back, we are there, so yeah, black it
No,
out.
yeah, I just was meant to with me eye. Blaze out, that's how I leave this and open.
So you can see.
Yeah. Right, most of the sun at me and normal.
Yeah.
When the sun gets out from here.
Daddy.
So you have all materials to finish up the work and thing?
No, I don't have the whole of the time. I have time to finish in here, sir. The time I have time to finish the bathroom.
Oh. Or the floor as well too?
The floor and the whole bathroom. The whole bathroom.
Okay. So where you short pan him? Like literally for finish off the project and thing. How funds wise?
No, funds kind of short and for finishing up because the kitchen there, you know, I have cast and I just the kitchen and I have to cast, flash it up and cast. And you see the whole building on the whole building, man. Flash up, yeah, the whole building flash up, so.
Okay. So you say you get short pan funding now?
Yeah, just finish it up.
Right, so as you can see, you know, I'm finish off the floor. I'm saying I'm tired to deal with that and everything. So I hope you say you're gonna need
yeah, man, the press alright, man. I have everything there for finish up press.
Okay. So where do I want to get then? Where you say that short pan?
I just the bathroom, the tile for the room, them.
Yeah.
See out on the outside, the flashing.
Yes. So you want the tile for the room then?
Yeah.
And for the car, so
and
the
car,
cement
and the sand there down at the pit.
And down at the pit.
And down at the pit.
So if down at the pit, how are you going to use down there, sir?
I just steel and cement there going to put down there, sir.
Oh.
That's why I want length of steel to just step up on it.
Okay.
Zinc or something.
So they get the measurement of how much tile they want for the room?
Yeah, Mr. 10 bucks. He tell me, but I never ask him the size. But when I tell him the width of the room and so, he tell me 10 bucks. But I never ask him the size height. But he tell me 10 bucks.
Okay.
But I never ask him the size. Because I just tell him the width.
So 10 bucks are the regular size and that then for 10 bucks. So it will be 10 bucks. I know what you say, you're going to need cement. Huh?
Yeah, 17 by 17 too. No, look, yeah, 17 by 17, 18 by 18 will be the better. Yeah, about 20 by 20. 18 by 18.
So you have zinc for the whole out here, sir?
Yeah, buy the zinc them already.
What is already?
Zinc them already.
So those cement?
Yeah, the flashing and the cars.
Yeah. So basically some cement you want and some tile for the floor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything for this one, I just the floor
Alright guys, so as you can see how far them reach now, you know, where he's putting in, you know, most of the work with what him have and what him can work, him have to work with. You know, so basically him saying I want some more cement, you know, for cast the flooring out here, so you know, and him saying put in the size to get the tile, which is about $10 a tile. You know, we're not sure how much the $10 will cost. You have a price on it for the $10?
What's it? About 30 something you tell about the $10.
About 30 something thousand?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you're gonna need how much cement you want for out here, so?
Cement? I want 4 bags of cement.
And they go flash off on the side?
Yeah, no, I want more cement to do the flashing.
So how much in total?
I want 10 bags of cement total.
Yeah.
I say I want to flash back the whole building. Right?
And with tile you also need tin set?
One again, yeah.
You need tin set also?
Tin set, yeah.
Yeah. So with the $10 a tile you're going to need tin set. You see me, I want about 10 bags of cement, you know, for. So basically that complete everything for you?
Yeah.
Yes. With the pit and everything. So with the pit and everything and with the inside here, you know, him say 10 bags of cement will do that, and the tin set will be different from the room with the tiles. You know, and him already have the zincs now, you know, to finish off this roofing as well too. So that is for us, you know, that's for us complete everything. I'm saying get low on funding now, right? Yeah, so I'm saying get low on funding now. You know, but them are work with them have seen me with the material was here, that's why you can see me put in that work. So anything we can bless them with, you know, we'll be grateful, you know, appreciate it in anything at all we can. Do not forget this journey over the line, you know, so we can complete it all and everything. You know, so we appreciate the blessings already so far. You know, we thank you so much. There's a lot of gratitude for all our extended family that donated on this journey to help out the Cranberry family. You know, so that is the procedure right now. Yeah. So we really appreciate anything you guys can give, you know, to help him move on and finish off this project, you know. So I'm saying total we need about 10 bags of cement, you know, and the tile now for tile the 2 bedrooms, you know, 10 bags, and I'm also gonna need tin set for that as well too. So if anyone watching and want to contribute to help out, you know, with the Cranberry family towards that, you know, so I'll be highly appreciative and grateful for anything I can give, you know. So where you put all them side there?
A veranda.
A veranda, man. I just get a little board pattern, man. But it's not board, it's not lock up like all that. I get a little pattern.
Okay. So you got a door here? You got a door here, so you got a door?
No, just a little small one. I remember to a veranda this.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I do want to go this. This one do want to go right.
Right here, so.
Yeah.
Open space. Alright, so those guys, so, you know, we want to see this project, you know, see it cross the journey, you know, see it to flourish, to fulfill and finish off and everything. A Tarak one with trouble in there.
Tarak one with ourselves.
So them say Cranberry and Nana gone to come back.
Top road they walk through, I'm telling you, it's a walk, so come back round.
Oh.
That's how they say them and look man they walk on passport, top road.
Oh. A long time them gone?
Good look while they're supposed to come here now.
She said a just.
Oh, let me just go when time we reach?
Yeah, because I don't really far them are going to go right over, but maybe them are go for the yard, so I can walk a man over come around.
Okay.
Finish that for our number, call out.
Yeah. So I'll wait till when them come then, because we'll bring some KFC again as well, you know, for the family. So, I cry. Look pan Toko now. Toko, pretend cry this. Toko, what me now? Toko, what me now? I'm Toko first. Toko, let me see what I got.
Look up her lip. Oh, she wipe it off.
Yes, sir.
Toko, let me see what I got. Move it on. Move it on, Toko. Oh, yeah, trick the crowd. Toko now cry.
I say one of them for the apple lane.
Yeah. Tara. Tara. What's up, Tara? She sent my voice note again. Good morning. Good evening, Tara. Tara, you want chicken?
You want chicken?
You want chicken, Tara? Tell me if you want chicken so I can go buy it and come back. You want KFC? What she said, Kenisha, she want KFC?
You want chicken? I'm going to make Toko take the whole out then.
Toko, you want KFC? Yeah.
You never get none of
Tara, you want come here, Tara. Come.
Tara never come for now.
She not come for now.
Go hang around and she just come.
Come here, Tara. Wala Toko. Alright, we're going now. Yeah, I'm gonna leave her. Bye bye, Tara. I'm Toko, can I get chicken for you, yeah?
You never get none.
So only for Toko. Me, Cranberry, then I want to get the chicken. So 1 piece for Toko, 1 for Kenisha, 1 for Nana, 1 for Cranberry, and for the daddy.
And 1 for Tara.
And for the dogs too.
Yeah.
And the cat.
Who did not go on?
Watch her. Watch her the fight. I head happy now, yes, sir. Tara, I'm so come here. Oh, we have more dog food in here. Oh, it's almost done. That's all left. Hey. Why, so white nose look healthy. White nose. Are you that? Yeah. Watch my stretch feet. Are you this? You know I'm bag, man. You know I'm bag. I'll wait for them one day to come so we can give everyone a piece of chicken, right, Toko? Yes. So we are going to wait for them, yeah. What them say? No jackfruit on the tree?
Carl said no. I don't know if Carl no say it now, right?
Oh no. Look.
Judge, when last in the check.
Well, look like said. Well, look like them pick our fight already. Yeah. It looks scanty. Oh God. The tree looks scanty.
Walk, you know what you're pine.
Pine and stretch. That's stretch, guys.
And let's look at them, they're on it. But them say can just stay and they just go over fresh pine.
Yeah. Which part prefect say him look? Cause this look away. Look so scanty like them ready things for gone.
D.
You know where the tree since we leave? Where the tree since we leave? It looks scanty. Yeah. 30 grand is not here. It's a big one, yeah. You know what I mean? Big one, yeah, so nothing. Make it an answer?
Yeah. But this is my jackfruit. I don't want them way. I'm going to eat sweet and tough.
Hello? Hello?
Idi?
It's an answer.
Let me sit there.
In earlier.
Them so when I smell it ready. But when I smell jackfruit,
Yeah, man. Yeah, alone smell of one there, Esther.
I remember if I want them to throw in a bush, they cut.
Kind of smell something slightly still.
Smell jackfruit, man.
Oh, the big one there, so. And the one that up there, so. Up at the top.
Smell jackfruit, man.
Yes, I do. It's not ready. I'll get check. Big old mountain. And this is the only jackfruit tree up here.
Hmm?
Lucky.
Eh?
Lucky so.
What? You find one? Eh?
Yeah. Yeah, him say we're lucky in so and Esther. Yes. Jackfruit punch. Jackfruit punch. Like that?
Eh? Don't be like boobs. Don't do that.
Piece it alone, right?
Yeah.
Is that possible?
To one side I lean up on the tree.
Oh, that.
Right faster.
Oh, go on. But there.
Under your time, we're at Twitter yesterday, I'm just build up my hope.
You smell it for you, you know?
Yeah, I smell jackfruit.
Start to smell jackfruit. D, you have to go up, you go check what I go on, D. We start to smell jackfruit. My nose is playing with me now.
Oh, you know?
Yo, D, just imagine. Just imagine say your eye now work good today. And just go up there and check. So D, I want to say we're lucky, so we say yes.
Peace and rifle, but
Peace.
You're not going to get it to eat. Because when you pick it, that's why they're going to spoil before you can eat it.
Oh.
Okay. So we'll sleep on the chair. You're an animal.
God damn. I tell you, boy. We look like some jackfruit mist. I wonder if Chris picked them.
Only for people come pick it and Chris not eat jackfruit. Them just come thief them out.
But last time when him give me two out of the room there, sir. What there, sir? In there, sir, in the app
Yeah,
there.
him just pick them and put them
And
down.
put them down. That's what I say look like. Chris!
Yes, him have none up there.
Try my luck. I'm not lying. I want jackfruit punch. You know what I mean? What happened? I see you in off your back. I saw you. I see you. What happened? What you saying? What? Long time I see me. Okay, so how was the food the other day? Was it good? Food good? Yeah. Happy to see me though. Yeah. Happy to see me though. Happy to see me. No jackfruit. Sit. Come here, sit down. Sit. Good boy. Sit down. Sit. A good one. Yeah. Now jackfruit. I'm gonna make jackfruit punch. Oh no, Chris, I'm gonna run the barrier now.
You gonna do that now?
Yeah, one drip.
Okay.
I want cloud to come. At the window slot that. At the window slot that right there, so? Yeah. So 2 windows there, one there, so?
Yeah, one at the back.
Guys, so we're just waiting on Cranberry and Nana to come back, you know, so we can make them have the KFC, and I got a donation as well for them, you know, while I'm here. So just waiting on them to turn up, you know. Here in a minute, the mom gonna get them, you know, because I guess they'll walk out for a bit, so they'll be back shortly. Toko, I'm not. You don't see them?
Yeah,
and them are down there?
They must be up on the top road. Then
So how far them gone? We are on, so?
yeah.
We have a walk on the top road, but almost way back road to come back road for the next side of the road.
Which part we driving from?
Yeah. Them now go so far to come down, so they might come down for the shortcut. At the bridge?
Yeah, right.
The bridge?
Yeah.
The shortcut is walk.
But them supposed to reach back by now then? From the,
yes, sir.
yeah, because them walk here, so. How which part?
Stop. She got on my plate. She have to stop. Before she reaches, she has reached.
Look at the time now. So alright then, so as I'm saying, I bring some KFC for them, you know. So alright, so basically guys, you know, I wish they could bring back something.
Yeah, slippers.
Yeah, so basically Cranberry was gonna bring back my slippers, you know, that she wore come on here because what did bust out?
Yeah, my shoes, our school shoes.
Her school shoes did bust out at school, so I guess somebody give her shoes, her slippers to wear come home, and then know she have to bring it back. So she and Nana went, and they don't reach back as yet, you know. So the mom just go check to see if they see them, but still no sign of them yet, you know. So we don't know where them would have gone. Cause you know what that way there? I just
walk the straight road and walk on back up.
So they're not here as yet. As I say, we brought the KFC here for the kids them. You know, from the Kiwanis, from East Pines, Miramar. You know, thank you so much, you know, for the KFC. The KFC is here, but you know, some of the kids them is not here as yet. So you know, so we have Tara is here, this Tara is here, and Toka is here. So I'm gonna eat it off and done, right? Now I'll eat none for them.
Yeah, listen for them to come.
Yeah, so anyway, should have been back by now because I've been waiting a good while now. Yeah.
Come on, fix it. Fix.
Where you go, Mr. You putting on pretty shoes? Put on pretty shoes, Tara. Can I borrow it?
No, wear your shoes.
Tara, pretty shoes. Whoa, pretty.
Now? Come put on the other one.
She have on pretty shoes. Tara have on pretty shoes. So, as I said, guys, we give thanks for the KFC from the Kiwanis from East Pines, Miramar. So you can thank the Kiwanis.
Kiwanis, thank you so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket never run dry.
Yeah, so we thank the Kiwanis. Toko, you thank Kiwanis for your KFC.
Thank you, Kiwanis, and then don't make your food basket never empty.
Tara, you thank Kiwanis.
Thank you, Kiwanis.
Look now.
Look on the camera and tell him thanks.
Thank you, Kiwanis. I make your food basket never empty.
Okay, thank you, Tara. Tara, wipe off her face first a while ago. Tara said I'm going on the video, so I make sure I wipe off my face first, before she make that appearance. So I'm saying KFC is here, one big bucket of KFC. Oh, what is the answer already? Crazy. One this there, and big bottle of juice also. And wow, big bucket. Take it out, Take it out. Let's take it out. No, if I answer, so it's a big bucket. Big bucket. Right, Tara. KFC.
You want chicken, Tara?
Tara now say no. I'm also have a donation as well too. Alright, so I have a donation from Unknown. I got $100 worth to here from Unknown from Florida, to help out. So this Unknown from
Florida.
What are they?
Unknown from America, thank you so much.
From Florida.
From Florida, thank you so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket never run empty.
So, Toko
said Unknown.
So thank you, Unknown.
Thank you, Unknown, and don't make your food basket never empty.
Okay, come here, Miss Tara. Come, thank Unknown.
Thank you, Unknown, and your food basket never empty.
Yeah. Ooh. So we have a big bucket of KFC there. I remember saying, Mommy, don't share it to yourself like the last time. When you better, you can charge you. Yeah. So, guys, Cranberry them will be home soon. But they're not here as yet. And it's getting dark as well too. Yeah, the thing is, it's getting dark and then I reach her. No, star.
Mama, no, I have to fix here.
It's getting dark and then I reach here yet. They can't see the place. It's getting bleaky.
When you subscribe or help her with the slippers, she normally watch you.
Okay.
Yeah, and she end up bring some clothes to them also. Yeah, she. But she live alone. She live up Canfield here.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. So big up to that subscriber there. Big up.
Stop eating me!
Yes, we'll get there.
Stop eating me!
Eat up, Tara. Here, what
Nice. Tara, nice.
Tara, eat.
Tara chips.
Never eat you all of this. No, and then say some.
Tara, bigger some. give me some of your chips, Tara. You give me none. Tara? Tara, they bro.
Fries, and I give none.
Tara, you give me none.
You sit down.
Thank you. Tara, give me none.
So you're
Oh, Mike, that's true. Tara, look.
Mommy, stop worrying.
When you know I'm up in the fridge, that you can't eat it up.
So we give thanks to the Kiwanis from East Pines, Miramar. We thank you so much, for the KFC treat for the kids then. And also we have done as well too. We say we wanted to get them some ice cream. So we're gonna choose a day. I will just bring them to Devon House to get some ice cream. But we're not gonna tell them when we're gonna do it because when I'm normally come up here, guys, I don't usually tell them when I'm coming. I just turn up. I don't usually tell them when I'm coming. So even if I'm gonna do something like that, I'm just gonna literally just turn up without them know that I'm coming. So Dan, want me to get them for them get KFC. So give me KFC, bring them good ice cream. So I'm gonna take them to Devon House one of these days. So I'm gonna tell you when.
Okay.
So I don't want them pressure me out, me keen
I'm gonna do them for the year because I'll say when.
Yes.
I want to do them, but maybe I'll start them that get ready.
Yeah, so I tell them when.
If she might tell it, I know what it must say.
What me I say?
I better get the bag there, yeah, mommy?
Yeah.
Oh, the bag. See there, have a bag there.
Mommy!
Paper bag. No. Alright then, Kenisha, I'm gonna move then because
Alright, safe journey. And may God guide you on your journey.
Sure. So thank Dan as well too for the ice cream treat for them as well too.
Dan, thank you so much and make your food basket never run dry.
Yeah, so we're gonna bring them to Devon House. You're not giving on, miss. You're not giving on, miss. You're not giving on. Not giving on. So we bring KFC for your friend. Okay, high five. High five. High five. Hey, eat up on the KFC. Alright then, later, yeah?
Alright, later.
Yeah. Charge. I got move,
Alright, brother.
Yeah, man, because I know we can't see Cranberry them and turn up, so.
Come on when they go down the road there,
Yeah.
Send them up the road because Cranberry love stop. She love stop your food.
Oh, Cranberry though?
Yeah, she love stop, man. Yeah, I got really see her up on the road that come there.
Yeah, I look up and see her.
Stop, see her.
When I go stop sending her go road then. Nobody send her go nothing but shop.
You send Cranberry to go shop, you have to send one of them go call her.
Yeah.
Normally she gonna go feed Blackie fowl.
She go up to go feed fowl, she go do all type of something.
Excuse she use that as a fair story that
No, but she feed Blackie fowl them. Our daughter, she can't go up on the house about Cranberry like ice. But normally, I tell Blackie say, like how she normally feed the fowl them for her.
Yeah.
Yeah, two and egg them.
Okay. Alright then, so later. Yeah. Alright. them stick at the pipe around there. Are we there for pick it?
Yeah. And then if they are somewhere, just unpick them.
Yeah.
Can see back here, we go pick them.
You want to go pick? They can climb up?
Yeah, of course. You see me go and do it. Easy. Stay there. Juice, no, yeah. Juice, they are going to make it them in the man. Apple juice. How much you cup of apple juice? And you have apple where you can make juice.
Sweet?
You can get really next sweeter.
Yeah.
You get me? Come in, let's catch it.
Them liquor still.
Yeah, man.
May I catch?
When you say them go.
Liquor.
And that, you know. You must say him don't know if I chew the rain.
Oh, lack of rain.
You want the sweet? It's sweet. How you more look natural?
Where see ya? They are going to make it look some.
That was
Yeah,
here.
it's like an apple on the car. I want to say better than in there.
Make it stand. You keep two more for you.
Sweet man.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Big man bunch, you know.
You don't do not talking. Because you might have more juice and in a sit on a sick burger.
One big bunch of them.
I like a black one there. Like a black one there.
Chew them at the sun.
If we bring one weight in there,
One hook.
water where I make a hook. And it's a hook them so. We have to. No, not pay things that drop. No, pay things that drop down.
No, that one never this side. That's right.
Oh, this one look on there.
Come to that.
Plenty of
My juice, Esther.
Esther.
They look like, come down here, mate.
Like, I'm a bird, no, you know the body. Big Cranberry now.
So what is the ladder? They make green like you know. That's how it's but one of me eat. And put in a car bar. How?
You are going to blend it here.
Let's say.
Are you a blending?
Stay there. After we have picked them for your blend, you have to say. She don't hear me, I say.
Yeah.
Let's tell me, I'm like.
Of course.
What's your sleep ready for come? I'm going to sit down here.
Yeah, sure.
They may like marbles.
Yeah, man. I'm blending juice. But I pick them. So. And then I can't blend it. No.
So black.
See something I said to you.
See, yes, boom. Them might take them drop because I blend them, I go blend.
Yeah, man. When I wash them, I'm good.
Like a cherry with it. Cherry apple.
Cherry and apple.
Yeah, man. What?
You might get some kind of cherry apple, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I put ginger in.
No, I'm not put ginger in a juice. More taste my juice. No, when I get here, I can't ginger.
No, man, then when I have that ginger. Very nice. Boom.
Boom, boom, boom.
And then I can't go with this. See something else? Watch that up. Let me show you the food them there. Yeah. Use a bigger pot now.
No hook them right there, funny.
No.
I baby hook them. You have to try to hook them thick.
If I bring water wire.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Come to them one there, say Esther.
This one, this one black one.
Oh, yeah.
Black one in front of it.
Some black.
Remember this? Yeah. What?
Right now, bomb.
Kill it.
Right in
Can't
there.
show it that you know. Juice them.
Okay, Carl. What am I doing?
Don't worry about that.
Yeah, man. That one they can eat
That's
right
sweet,
away.
Carl.
Right away, prefect.
Then you have to unpick.
You pick them, see me, and let them drop pick. And I blend and them I go.
I can remember.
It's sweet. No, that meant the kid said sweet. Once it's ready to eat.
This coming like a sugar, me just take up.
Me tell you say that one week and I me tell you.
Yes, Rasta boom.
Feel like I my own catch.
Boom, get the next piece there. So.
May I look fine and
It's
catch
sweet
it?
now, boom. What make you say sweet? One week and me tell you say.
What's the main kick up? No, say if you look at.
Stem left.
Stem left.
Okay.
What you call dust?
Dust out.
Excuse me.
I want to dust right on. Say another one.
You know?
I dare to come from. I dare to look back here.
Let's say that some flag scabby.
No, sir.
You don't eat it, though.
Why, mate?
Why not?
Sweet, man. Dirt, I've stopped me night, too. Dirt grow, you know.
Check them out, sister.
Dirt is sweet, too. Dirt grow away. May I get this of water while and bend it and bring it and wrap it. I want a little. I want a small one.
Sit down, my friend.
The 4 days was with us a long time.
Yeah,
I see them food.
See, in the yard, Amigo. Shed there, you know. See, if we have some, see how chunks there, chunks climb up on that, you know. I'm going to bring chunks next time, man. The chunks climb on it and pick.
Man, juke them. See that bunch there, juke that bunch there.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, now which one they drop in there? It's all.
I'll pay you fine, that.
Don't forget water where, man.
That's got be a leaf, yeah.
You know, when you come back.
Who will pick leaf?
Leaf, the man, I should and the young one, they match it. No one a young one, you will back his teeth. Back his teeth, brother.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah.
Pick up them one of them good too.
Yeah, I'm going there.
Yes, another one them foot there. See, there could be no one there, boom. Right there, foot. There could be no one there in the bag. See, what's a black one here? Oh, that. That one a bus. No, bird that eat that. What the bags there? Feel like you make 3 cups of juice for.
with the cherry.
With the cherry.
Beer, it's not beer. Here, look for one. And I got David.
I chew them liquid. Alright. So the bone show this time is long time.
Shall I have a look at that left on the wall? Oh God, man. I pick up this one. Oh, my brother. Daddy.
I really I'll go out with the leather and come back. Yeah? Alright guys, so apparently we was trying to see if we see them, you know, so we don't see them as yet. No sign of them. You know, so hopefully they're probably walking up by the top of the hill. You know, so the mom will inform me and let me know when them reach, you know, because we walk down this side but we don't see them by this side. So hopefully them up by the next side, walking down from the hillside. You know, so we give thanks to the Kiwanis, you know, for blessing the family with the KFC. Kiwanis from East Pines, Miramar. You know, we thank you so much for the KFC treat for the family. You know, and we also thank Unknown from Florida, you know, for the 100 US as well to help out, you know, with them. So guys, as you was talking about earlier about some more cement, you know, that the father said he will need some more cement, 10 bags of cement to finish off, and the 10 bags of tile also with tin set, you know, to finish off everything, you know. So him have zincs already, him have most everything. So once him get that now, that can literally, like, you know, complete everything off, you know. So you not see Cranberry them yet? No? No. Yes guys, so how do you say, I'm gonna keep you posted, you know, thank you so much, you know, for the support. Yes guys, so blessed love. We're gonna head back home now, you know, because it's that time, you know, we can see the place is kind of getting bleak, you know. So we're gonna head out and head home. So give thanks. Bag look load, man. So this is KFC apple.
KFC apple. Unknown. Thank you for the KFC apple. You know? Yes, man.
Yeah.
Which is right.
Yeah.
That is it.
The K1 is apple that. I should have some jackfruit. We are going with. Boom, I'm really interested in them juice, and Boom want the jackfruit. The jackfruit punch. Guys, see them here. Here the excuse what you're getting on. Come here. Where not come from? Look how long we are away from now. Cranberry. Look how long the mother sending out. Pay me to go somewhere else.
Go do what?
Go do what?
Look here, remember I said the top part, 5.
But you say you go somewhere else where?
Up on the top. But woman, I see them here.
No, but your mother said you go drop off on slippers, right? So you should have drop. Yeah, so you should have drop it off and then go back home. Why you going somewhere else?
No, I don't want to go.
No, but she send you one place. Listen now. Listen now.
Father said I don't want to.
No, but just listen now here.
Yeah.
Why you tell your father never send you go nowhere? Then send you go drop off the slippers, right?
Yeah.
So you should drop off the slippers and go back home. Cause if your mother come and look for you and she does soon. That's all you should have drop off in the slippers and then go back home. And then you gone somewhere else. Right? So you should have dropped off the slippers and then go back home. And yeah, smile. Yeah. So you see?
Yes.
Guys, you see what I say? See her here, our mother send her go one place and then she end up go to the next place.
A girl child. Stop. Don't follow her here. Anytime you're not going away and she
don't want to start punishing.
I forgot to go with her car.
No,
yeah. Because you know it's not good. You see next time and them say they go one place, they go to that place and they go back home. Okay, you know for when everybody I look for no? Long time.
You know long with there?
No, long with there till we have to go away now.
We bring her chicken food now. When?
About no when, we're not talking about that. We're not talking about no chicken and at all. The fact is, when your mother says you go one place, you go to that place and then you go straight back home. You understand? Because even now, your mother wait for you. Everybody thinks you not come from up the hill. How come you not come from the street right now? You meant for walk back up on the hillside and that's where everybody look for not come from? No. Why? We have some beat for go home for the don't look for me and laugh. Because we should have reached home already a long time. You understand? Next time, yeah, when them sin go somewhere, you can look at it, it's night now, you know? It's night. So now we go hurry up and go up.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.